Medyo kasi nung hindi ka masyado na nagamit ng fork, tapos nung binalik ka, ano ka kaagad, nakagawa ka agad, gano'n ka ba ka-ready na sitwasyon ngayon kanina?
Ayun nga, lagi ko sinasabi, I just want to stay ready every time. Doesn't matter kung ilang minutes yung laruin ko. Basta pag pinasok ako na narinig yung pangalan ko, yung opportunity na yan, bibigay ko yung best ko.
Tingin nasan yung confidence level mo when you shot that 3 in overtime?
I mean, rhythm shots ka na yun eh. Kumbaga, nasa rhythm na ako to take that shot. Just luckily went in and thankful ako kay CJ for giving that pass.
Interest ngayon para kay Carl ba yun?
First of all, pagaling ka Carl, hopefully sa Sunday makalaro ka. And yung extended minutes ko is because of Carl. Nagkaroon ako ng opportunity na mas mahabang minutes. Pero first up, kita naman ganda niya alaman ni Carl. So kudos to Carl.
Take you first qualifiers win na panalo kayo without Justin Brownlee. How big of a statement win was that?
Siyempre mas masarap pag nandito si JD, di ba? Pero ayun nga, all Filipino, we just want to prove na kaya namin manalo sa Aston na to.
Tingin mo sa potential ng team with Kai and hindi niya pag kayo nag-click lahat, ano natin mo sa potential ng team niya?
I mean, it's just a process every window, working on yung chemistry, pero hopefully ma-meet namin yung summit point na pick namin.
Yung sa Iran ba, mas laking kumpiyansa ba for coming into that game after this panalo ninyo?
Syempre, first of all, kailangan namin celebrate tonight yung panalo, pero kinabukasan, pagdating ng 12 o'clock mamaya, it's just another day. Kailangan namin to pursue Iran, and then, Iran naman na mas malakas sila, kumbaga on paper and on standings.
KQ, bukod sa hometown crowd, Mawari na din to eh. You made this your stomping ground kung nasa Lasal ka. So talk about your familiarity with this sporting complex.
Yeah, I mean, since high school, nandito na ako MU, nakapaglaro na ako sa MOA, and I just give my best shot every single day, every single practice, every single day here in MOA.
So may malaki yung familiarity mo dito?
Hindi ko nasasabi, basta pag nakuha yung bola, let it fly lang yan.
Kevin, mabuhay ka. Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat.